And what is a typical day in the life for a grad student in the department?
A typical day. Well, depends also which stage of your career you are, but as a graduate student, once you're in the research stage, which is my favorite part of the grad school, well, it was coming in, having sit down in your office, talk to your peers about research, work on your topics, spend time modeling, talk to your advisor about questions that you might have, concerns you might have. Then also it's nice if you have a group to go and have lunch together, which is also part of keeping a healthy balance between, spending a lot of time working on your research, but also keeping in a sane state of mind. It's important to talk to other people, other students that might have the same issues that you're having, and having kind of this kind of interaction helps a lot. And also every now and then during the week we would have activities like some groups would go and play trivia in town, or there's groups that like to have board game nights and these kind of things. Then we also have seminars every now and then during the week, which is also important to stay kind of up to date on what people are working on their individual research and new advancements on the areas. So this was also kind of a part of a busy day. I'm sure from group to group is different.
Yeah, I mean, it depends on where you are in your graduate career. So the first couple of years, your day is typically structured on coursework and homework and so on. And it also in teaching also, and it depends also on what kind of research group you join. So in my group, we had to take a lot of courses because the sort of learning curve to get to the point where you can do research in particle physics is kind of steep. But it's basically a lot of hard work, but a lot of rewarding work as well. I would think that if you structure your day properly, it really turns out to be sort of like a 8 to 5 job type of thing. You can get enough done in one day to in this time slot to have essentially an evening off and go have a drink or go see a show, go to a restaurant. Or
it's good to be smart about time management, and also to remember that you can be very productive in one day and then reward yourself by doing something you like.
Yeah. And another thing is, as a graduate student, no matter where you end up, you're not going to get paid in a lot of money, but you're going to get to do something that's a lot better, and that's you're going to get to sit down and get to study a problem, okay, that no one's solved before you, and you're going to solve this problem. And this is something that's very amazing to me about just doing science, the ability that you get to contribute in a way that most other people haven't.
Awesome, that's all the questions we have, so thanks for sitting down with us and answering these questions.
Thank you.
You're welcome.